Hello and welcome to the SKUSavvy YouTube channel. If you're not familiar, SKUSavvy is a full warehouse management system designed to make your inventory management, pick, pack, ship processes far easier using our visual warehouse layout tool. In this tutorial, we're going to go through setting up kits on your products, otherwise known as bundles. So if you are using bundles within Shopify and now you want to go ahead and set them up as kits within here, it's the same thing. Kit is really just an assortment of items that are placed to make up another item. So a kit could be one to many, it could be many to many, it could be many to one. All of those different relationships can be factored in when you're making kits. So as you can see here, I'm just setting up, giving an example of how to set up the kit. You'll come into your products, kitting. Now you do need to have all of the input products within SKUSavvy to create the kit. On Shopify, however, if you were just selling the kit, you can just list that kitted product, the finished kit, on Shopify, and you could have your input items on SKUSavvy, just on SKUSavvy. So as you can see, select some input components at the top, converting from this item to this item. Once you assemble the kit, it will be available for you here so that you can go ahead and assemble it. Right, so we could click into assemble it at one of our warehouses. Now, at the warehouse, you do have to have inventory available for all of your input components. So as you can see, I do have inventory available for all of the input components of this kit. So we could go ahead and click through and pick this product and assemble the kit. Now I'm going to do the same thing, although in this case, I'm actually going to go through the inline kitting, which is our new process, which does allow you to, from one single order, or let's just say that you're created a batch of orders and that order batch has a kit included within it. Then what you can do is go through the kitting process directly in line with your other products. So this order only has one kit within it. And so we could also have other products within here. But for now, we're going to go ahead and just simply assemble the kit. So what we'll do is we'll pick our input components and we'll say, yep, we're going to pick this great joints and we'll add that to the kit. Then we're going to go ahead and pick our creatine. We'll add that to the kit and add that. And then we'll go ahead and pick through the protein and we'll pick that. We'll add that to the kit. Okay, so now we've gone ahead and we have grabbed, picked all of our input components here. So this is just a 1, 1, 1, but you could have something where maybe it required 2 of the great joints and 2 of the vegan. However you had created the kit, assembled the recipe for the kit is how it's going to appear here. So now we'll go ahead and convert that. And as you can see, once we've converted that, it now makes it available and as if we have just gone through to pick that kit. So now we can go through the rest of the process, package that up, get our carrier rates, or just mark that as fulfilled, right? So we could produce a label from an exterior carrier, or we can go ahead and get the purchase the label here, print that out, and now we have gone through and fulfilled the entirety of this order. We'll remove the label and just manually mark that as fulfilled. And that's all it is. Pretty simple, but this does make it a whole lot easier to pick and pack kits that are part of another order right in line with the rest of your order batches. Hopefully that was helpful. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We do appreciate your support there. And be sure to go ahead and get a free account at SKUSavvy.com/register. We look forward to seeing you.